My diesel heater's not as hot as I'd like it, so I'm going to take it out and give it a service. The air hose comes off easy and these screws come off just by your fingers. I set it up so that I could take it out easy because I didn't expect I'd keep this because it was so cheap. This loom might be the hardest thing to take out, actually. Just like that. Just those Jubilee clips to come off and cut off that fuel line. I'll pinch it shut. Pinch the fuel line shut with this. Flirting with danger. Easy as that. 2-minute job. Yeah, it's a bit cokey. Can't really see on camera, but it's not too bad. I'm protecting the table because my housemate would be quite unhappy if I damaged it. Not taken one of these apart before, so we will see what happens. Impeller, propeller, fan. More hex bolts there, and that should get me inside. Very, very carefully taking this apart. To get access to that bolt there, I'm going to have to take the circuit board off. That there must be a temperature probe, I'm guessing. Glow plug there, power for the fan. There's another 4 screws, and that looks to take me into the combustion chamber. The glow plug, 12mm spanner, let's see. Okay. That's not bad at all. I honestly thought that this was going to be full of soot. It's very clean in fact. Take a photo for Gadget John. Seat that gasket properly. Oh, it's a lovely day. I'm going to move my pump down. I haven't left a lot of slack in the fuel line. So yeah, I'm going to move that pump. Gun gum is not a good solution for plugging the hole in the bottom of the van. It's just turned into crumbly powder. The heater's back in, it's switched on. I'm going to try running it without the air inlet hose, because I wonder if a lot of that whistling sound comes from the corrugated tube there. This is the first time running it since it was reassembled. Hopefully it's all back together properly. Okay, so far so good. I have got an air bubble there, but I don't think it's going to reach. but the air inlet does make a lot of noise. The exhaust is always a bit of a giveaway. Let's see what it's like with the doors closed. That's much quieter. It's just the exhaust that's making noise. Yeah, I'm just going to reconnect that air hose, see what difference that makes. Yeah, it's a definite howl. Shutting it down. Still noisy, but it's better with the air inlet hose disconnected. I'll try and find some way of insulating that, wrap the exhaust. Don't know really. I think it's just going to be noisy forever.